You've worked hard your whole life to build up your savings, but are you just playing defense with your investments? Let me ask you, are your stocks truly working for you, or are they simply keeping you afloat in this turbulent market? Right now, you're probably hearing all about the market volatility, inflation, and the uncertain future. With President Biden's administration in power, the stock market's instability is causing many retirees to panic. In fact, some even fear their 401ks and IRAs will lose value faster than they can replace it. But here's the thing, you don't need to keep playing defense when it comes to your money. You deserve a strategy that fights back against inflation and the ups and downs of the market. And that strategy might just be simpler than you think. Now, I know what you're thinking. Stocks are the traditional way to grow your wealth, right? But let me break it to you. Even the most experienced investors are realizing that the risks tied to the stock market are getting harder to ignore. The reality is that inflation is pushing the value of the dollar lower each year, and as the Fed raises interest rates, it gets harder and harder to see any consistent growth in stocks. If you're nearing retirement or are already retired, this is a problem. The last thing you want is to watch your hard-earned savings shrink because of market instability. But what if there was a way to protect your wealth? What if you could diversify and take control of your future without being at the mercy of the stock market's unpredictability? That's where a gold IRA comes in. Yes, gold. The timeless hedge against inflation. The go-to asset for those who understand the power of preserving wealth. With a gold IRA, you're not betting on stocks or bonds. You're protecting your wealth with a proven strategy that's worked for centuries. Gold is not just a shiny metal. It's a safe haven, especially during times of economic uncertainty. You may have heard that gold is for the rich or that it's too complicated to get started. But in reality, a gold IRA is accessible to anyone who's serious about protecting their savings. The good news is that it's easier than you think to get started, and it's a strategy that aligns perfectly with your retirement goals. Let's get real for a second. If you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401k, you're not playing small anymore. You've worked hard for this money, and now it's time to protect it, to make sure that inflation and market volatility don't rob you of your future. Gold is a powerful tool that can safeguard the wealth you've built and provide you with the peace of mind, knowing that your retirement savings are in safe hands. But don't just take my word for it. You can get a free, no-obligation consultation to learn exactly how a gold IRA can fit into your retirement plan. This isn't a high-pressure sales pitch. It's about giving you the knowledge and understanding you need to make an informed decision about your money. I'm offering a complimentary call where you'll get all the details on how to protect your wealth, and the best part? You don't have to do anything unless you feel confident that it's the right fit for you. There's no gimmick, no free silver giveaway, just pure education on how to secure your future. So, if you're serious about preserving what you've worked for, click the link in the description and get your free Gold IRA guide today. You deserve a retirement free from financial stress and uncertainty. Protect your hard-earned savings and take the first step toward a secure future today. Remember, this isn't for everyone. We're only looking for Americans who are serious about protecting their wealth for themselves and their loved ones. If that sounds like you, get in touch with us. Let's make sure you're positioned for success in this unpredictable world.